How to refill ink in the HP SmartTank 500 and 600 printer series. If you are low or out of ink, as indicated on the printer control panel, refill the ink tanks. Open the front door, and on the color to refill, squeeze and flip open the cap. The refill bottle has either a flip top or a screw top. On flip top bottles, unscrew the cap, remove and discard the seal, and then screw the cap back on. Flip open the replacement ink bottle cap, or if you have a screw top bottle, unscrew the cap. Turn the bottle upside down, and then set it on the ink tank spout to fill the tank. When the tank is full, remove the bottle and then close the cap. Repeat the filling process for any other colors that are low on ink. Close the ink tank cap, and then close the front door. Save any extra ink for when you are low on ink again.